So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can search button to click and then enter your model number of motherboard Z890 UD Wi-Fi 6E, then hit enter and then click to product. After that click on model number of motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. If you Windows 10 any use, so installations process same. Audio driver, and this is audio, and click to download. When click to download, it will start downloading automatically. After download, just open, single click to open, and this is exe extracted, so double click to launch for installation. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And then install and close it.